Did you know that a single tablespoon of chives contains more vitamin K than a cup of spinach? This might come as a surprise to many, but this tiny herb is a nutritional giant in disguise. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health, and chives provide an easy way to boost your intake. This unassuming herb, often relegated to a garnish, packs a powerful nutritional punch. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, chives are loaded with essential nutrients that can enhance your overall health. They are not just a pretty addition to your plate, but a functional food that can contribute to your well-being. Chives, scientifically known as Allium schoenoprasum, belong to the same family as garlic and onions, sharing their distinctive aroma and a wealth of health benefits. This family of plants is renowned for its medicinal properties, and chives are no exception. They have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. Don't let their delicate appearance fool you. Chives are a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can significantly impact your well-being. They are rich in vitamins A and C, which are crucial for immune function and skin health. Additionally, chives contain folate, which is important for cell division and DNA synthesis. From bolstering bone health to enhancing sleep and even fighting cancer, chives offer a plethora of advantages. The antioxidants in chives help combat oxidative stress, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, the sulfur compounds in chives have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, making them a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet. Incorporating this versatile herb into your diet is simple and delicious, allowing you to effortlessly elevate your culinary creations while reaping their remarkable health benefits. Whether you add them to salads, soups, or main dishes, chives can enhance the flavor and nutritional profile of your meals. They are easy to grow at home, making them a convenient and fresh addition to your kitchen. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of chives, uncovering their incredible potential to transform your health. From their humble beginnings in the garden to their starring role in gourmet dishes, chives are a testament to the saying that good things come in small packages. Stay tuned to learn more about how you can make the most of this tiny herb with mighty benefits. Strong bones are crucial for overall health and mobility. They provide the structure our bodies need to move and function properly. As we age, maintaining bone strength becomes even more important to prevent fractures and ensure a high quality of life. And did you know that chives can play a surprising role in maintaining their strength? These small green herbs are more than just a garnish. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly benefit your bones. Chives are abundant in vitamin K, a nutrient essential for bone health. Vitamin K is often overlooked, but it is crucial for the formation of osteocalcin, a protein that helps bind calcium to the bone matrix, making your bones stronger and more resilient. Vitamin K works in conjunction with calcium to enhance bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. When these two nutrients are consumed together, they create a synergistic effect that maximizes bone strength and health. Studies have shown that adequate vitamin K intake is linked to a lower risk of osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more susceptible to fractures. Osteoporosis is a major health concern, especially for older adults, and incorporating vitamin K-rich foods like chives into your diet can be a simple yet effective preventive measure. Just 1 tablespoon of chives provides a significant portion of your daily vitamin K requirement, making it an easy and delicious way to support your bone health. You can add chives to a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to omelets and smoothies, to boost your vitamin K intake effortlessly. Incorporate chives into your diet to fortify your bones from within. By making this small addition to your meals, you can take a big step towards maintaining strong, healthy bones throughout your life. So, next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget to sprinkle some chives on your dish and give your bones the support they need. In today's fast-paced world, getting a good night's sleep is more important than ever. Chives contain a compound called choline, which plays a crucial role in regulating sleep patterns and improving sleep quality. Choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and calmness, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Studies have shown that choline supplementation can improve sleep efficiency and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. Adding chives to your diet is a simple yet effective way to increase your choline intake and experience the restorative power of sound sleep. Embrace the calming properties of chives and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Lustrous, healthy hair is a reflection of overall well-being, and chives can contribute to its vibrancy. Chives are rich in folate, a B vitamin that promotes hair growth and prevents premature graying. Folate aids in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to the hair follicles, nourishing them from within. A deficiency in folate can lead to hair loss and dullness. Adding chives to your diet is a natural and effective way to boost your folate intake and support healthy hair growth. Sprinkle chives over salads, soups, or egg dishes to enjoy their subtle onion flavor while nourishing your hair. A clear vision for health. Our eyes are precious, and we must protect them from age-related damage. Chives contain lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that accumulate in the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, central vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin act like natural sunglasses, protecting the eyes from harmful blue light emitted from digital screens and the sun. Studies have shown that these antioxidants can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Incorporating chives into your diet is a delicious way to increase your intake of these vision-protecting nutrients. Add chives to your favorite dishes and enjoy a clear, vibrant world. The cancer-fighting powerhouse you can grow. Cancer is a complex disease with multiple contributing factors, but emerging research suggests that chives may hold promising anti-cancer properties. Chives contain allium compounds, sulfur-rich compounds that have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in laboratory studies. These compounds work by inducing apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of their anti-cancer effects, incorporating chives into your diet is a simple and delicious way to potentially reduce your risk. Add chives to your meals and harness the power of nature's pharmacy. Unveiling radiant skin with chives. Healthy, glowing skin is a sign of inner health, and chives can contribute to its radiance. Chives are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, and age spots. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin, keeping it firm and youthful. Adding chives to your diet is a simple and effective way to boost your vitamin C intake and support healthy, radiant skin. Digestion perfected. The chives advantage. A healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being, and chives can play a significant role in keeping it functioning optimally. These small green herbs are not just a garnish, they are packed with nutrients that can enhance your digestive health. Chives contain dietary fiber, a type of carbohydrate that cannot be digested by the human body. This fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. This is particularly important for those who struggle with digestive issues, as regularity can significantly improve comfort and health. Adequate fiber intake also supports the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which are essential for nutrient absorption and immune function. These beneficial bacteria, or probiotics, thrive on the fiber found in chives, helping to create a balanced and healthy gut microbiome. Adding chives to your diet is an easy way to increase your fiber intake and promote a healthy digestive system. They are versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. Sprinkle chives over salads, soups, or stews to enjoy their subtle onion flavor while reaping their digestive benefits. Not only do they enhance the taste of your meals, but they also contribute to your overall digestive health, making them a valuable addition to your diet. Whether you are looking to improve your digestive health or simply add a burst of flavor to your dishes, chives are an excellent choice. Their mild taste and health benefits make them a must-have in any kitchen. Immunity armor, strengthening your body's defenses. A robust immune system is our first line of defense against infections and diseases. Chives are a good source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens the immune system. Vitamin C enhances the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections. Studies have shown that vitamin C can reduce the duration and severity of colds. Adding chives to your diet is a simple and delicious way to support your immune system and stay healthy year-round. Their delicate onion flavor complements a wide range of dishes, making them a versatile addition to any meal. A nutritional powerhouse in every sprig. Beyond their rich vitamin and mineral content, chives boast an array of beneficial compounds that contribute to their health-promoting properties. Chives are a good source of flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Incorporating chives into your diet is a simple yet effective way to increase your antioxidant intake and protect your body from within. Their delicate onion flavor adds a touch of elegance to any dish, making them a welcome addition to your culinary repertoire. Cultivating a healthy heart, one chive at a time. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, making it crucial to adopt heart-healthy habits. Chives contain allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that has been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Allicin works by relaxing blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily and reducing the strain on the heart. Studies have shown that regular consumption of allicin-rich foods like chives can significantly lower blood pressure levels. Adding chives to your diet is a flavorful and effective way to support your cardiovascular health. Embrace the power of chives. From their delicate aroma to their impressive nutritional profile, chives are a true gift from nature. Incorporating this versatile herb into your daily diet is a simple yet profound step towards enhancing your health and well-being. Embrace the power of chives and savor the flavors of a healthier, more vibrant you.